To see apps allowed to use data while data saver is on in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find apps, and then select apps. Tap apps more icon or three dot icon. Select special access, and then tap allowed to use data while data saver is on. And in here you can see the application with blue button. Can use data when data saver is on. To change permission, you can just tap button until black to deny permission, or tap button until blue to allow application to use data while data saver is on. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.